Hey, what's going on, everybody? I know who it is. It's JJ. You know, we're back at it like an addict no rehab because I'm addicted to giving you guys advice. So, this ain't no advice on this video. This is just me uh trying to ask you guys for some help. So now that I got my Firebird, the fans running, and then I got the brake lines about to get ordered, so I get to fix that, and I can slowly fix that up. Now I'm looking for some other Pontiacs to bring into my collection. So I need you guys help because I was living here in Oklahoma and I be searching on Marketplace, and I need to keep moving it around and stuff like that. But if you guys can help me find these cars, it'll be greatly appreciated. I know in some of you guys area, y'all might see them, and if y'all see them, I'm looking for them to all be projects. They don't have to be clean. I don't want them clean, nothing. I want them all for the channel. I want to fix them up from the ground up. You know, I don't want them to be that beat up. I mean, if they're not, if it doesn't, even if it doesn't have a motor or transmission, I don't mind that. I could find a motor transmission to put in it because it'll probably get changed out anyway. I just want the body to not just be that beat up. If not, I mean, just the body. As long as the body is straight, that's fine. All the other stuff, I want to in so now I want to start picking. I like Pontiac. I always like Pontiac. So I want. So if you guys can help, it'll be muchly appreciated. So I'm looking for a 80s model Pontiac T1000. That's the little small little blue car. If y'all know, you can search it up. Pontiac T1000. It's the same like a Chevy, but I like the Pontiac. I just like the Pontiac looks and the grills on Pontiac. They just in the emblem. The Pontiac just has always just to me just a better standout look. I'm looking for Pontiac 86 to 88 Fiero, GT, because I want to put the body kit on there. I seen somebody put like the Ferrari like body kit on like white with like Ferrari body kit. That thing was clean. I seen one with a red like Ferrari looking body kit too, but I put the white Ferrari or a black. Cause look, I like the look of the Fiero. We was joking, but I like the look of it. So if I can find the 86 to 88 GT, because it's like the rear on it looks a lot different than the other years. GT, like I said, doesn't have to have a motor, doesn't have to have transmission, just as long as the body is pretty decent, and this price fairly decent. And then I'm also looking for a 80s model is the G body Pontiac, the Grand Prix, you know. I know I'm not gonna find no Aero Coupe, the 2+2 one and stuff like that. So I know like that one's it's probably that's a rare one, and finding that one as a fixer project one. If I could find that one for a project one for the price decently, because I'm not looking like these project cars. So like I said, they don't have to be in the greatest condition. I'm just looking to fix them up. I know I bought my Firebird. For like 700 and was running and stuff like that, and I had to do some stuff to it. I know it's gonna be hard to find stuff like that, running, but I mean, no more than 1,000, maybe 1,500, just depending on how good the body is on one of them, you know. But the Pontiac Grand Prix and the T1000, I don't think like 500, 600. The Fiero, depending on how clean the body is, 1,000, 1,200. Even if it's not running, GT, looking for that. If y'all can help me find it, please help me. So I'm looking for you guys' help. So if you guys can find it, if y'all see them, if you just come across something, y'all don't have to look at it. If y'all just see it and come across it, please just message me either on my Facebook at JJ's Cars and Advice. You can send messages on there, or just hit me up on Instagram, JJ's Cars and Advice. It's JJ Cars and Advice on Instagram, Facebook. You can message me on either one if you see it, and just please send it to me if you can, or just hit me up on here. And if you're one of my members and you have my number and you happen to see one in your area, just shoot me a text on what it looks like. I would gladly appreciate it. We'll be doing an auction video tomorrow. I'll probably record or do a whole video. I was gonna do a walk around no, I'll probably do that next week. I'll probably do one more auction video and let the people on Firebird edit that one and see how that one comes out. Then I'm gonna do a walk around video at the auction and see how they edit that one up, see how that one come out, and then I'll probably do a walk around of my brother's Camaro, his IROC, and show like what he all done to it and stuff, and see if they can do like a little edit on there and see how that one comes out. So I'm gonna do some walk around video. Then I might go back to the dealership where I used to go, the Dodge dealership where my buddy works at. I might go back out there Probably probably not. I mean, but I might just start doing some car walkarounds and pay some editors and see how they can make the video and stuff like so. You know, we got a lot of stuff coming. So, but if y'all can help me find those vehicles, they're all in the thumbnail. So that's what the cars look like that I'm looking for. The Grand Prix, either one, the gray one or I know the Aero Coupes would be hard to find, but hey, you might have somebody just selling a Project One or one that's junked or something that's not in good condition. You never know, but hey, if y'all can find it, please let me know. Appreciate you guys for always tuning in, always liking the video, subscribing, and everybody. We got a lot more coming, so I want to find those cars so we can start fixing those up and bringing a lot more to the stuff. So if y'all find them, let me know, and if I find them before then, I will let y'all know. Thank y'all. I'm out. Peace.